Hi universal creature. In this second part of video, we will going to discuss how our mother father is responsible mastermind behind all criminal activity, behind all mishappening, misbehavior which happened on earth. Actually, they are misguided, manipulated by the behavior of matter. Yes, they are not in his conscious mind, they are in behavior of matter. Let us discuss what's matter and how they do this type of all activity. Actually, universe in our universe there are four things, only four things. First is matter. Matter also include energy, matter and energy same thing. Second is time, third is consciousness, and fourth is a next level, yeah, beyond our thinking level behavior is love. Yes, there are four behavior of universe: matter, time, consciousness and love. We will skip time and love because they are not related currently our topic, neither are our video will be too long. So we discuss on two property of our universe: space time, matter and consciousness. What's matter? All we can sense from our senses, and more simply you can say for our biological world, which is made from electrons, quarks, also energy is same thing. Matter and energy is same thing. Then you relate photon, W minus, W plus, either Z boson. They are all matter. Matter have mainly three most fundamental property. What's the three most fundamental property? First is self-replication. We produce itself copy. Self-replication. Second, sleep. Third is sweet. Sweet मतलब eating. Then they manipulated, misguided due to the behavior of self-replication. We can say it's most fundamentalist intrinsic property of self-replication. As you seen, when first cell formed on Earth, combination of lipid, RNA, and protein, then they replicate himself many times, replicate, follow his intrinsic property, and we can see these forest, trees, plants, animals, also human beings, they are the result of replication. So matter have most fundamentalist intrinsic property have self replication. Matter have no conscious sense what and how replication, what happen after self replication. They do, they do did not think about all of them. Just self replication. Have you also observed in nature how they wisely, cunningly do a lot of methods way to complete his self replication? As you observe in the process of when pollen grain transfer from his destination, how they use many type of tribe, different type of fragrance, color, some special type fruity juicy liquid. So mediator come and complete self replication. Also you have here, if you free to rabbits, if you free to rabbits male and female, then our whole world fulfill with rabbits. If no one disturb him, they have no sense. Animal are just as matter, they are pure matter, so they have no sense what happen after replication, how our child live, how survive, what he happily lives in this environment. They did not think, just follow the most intrinsic property of self replication. Then we can say our father mother manipulated, misguided by the behavior of self replication property of matter. Actually we see presently our world's population is over above 800 crores. In 90% cases, our mother father is just matter. They did not think consciously, just they manipulated. Also, we can say they are just a form of matter, not consciousness. Consciousness, what's consciousness? Consciousness is feeling, behavior of beyond the senses. If we can think, behave beyond the senses, then we can say consciousness. Just simple take a example, then we clarify what's consciousness. Think just as I am hungry from 3 to 4 days. I have to need energy anyway. If as I am going to eat, someone, person, animal came which have more requires food. Either he ask me for food. If we not eat, it's demand of our matter. If we not eat and give all of them who ask, then this is the property of consciousness. When we go beyond the feeling of our senses, materialistic world, then we come in the era of consciousness. So as we say, our mother father is mastermind of all crimes. Yes, when they are behave as a fundamental property of matter. So I have a request to all of mother father, please come in era of consciousness, and also not give the birth any child, because if anyone male female loves truly honestly wala, then they did never risk anyone life. Also we know we are the part of experiment. Anyone want to experiment on himself. If you not give the birth, they born on somewhere other universe, but you did not destroy any life. If you take guarantee that after born of your child you will responsible for everything, then you carry on. Neither, please don't give birth any child on this earth. Thank you.